Brownback officially started his second term today. His inaugural address highlighted family values, but it did not focus on the multi-million-dollar deficit many say is his fault. Our Amy Hawley traveled to Topeka for this morning's ceremony.
Governor Sam Brownback today in front of a packed House chamber addressed the crisis of the Kansas family, and getting back to family values will actually help renew the state. But he didn't address the elephant in the room, the $648 million budget shortfall that he and lawmakers will have to address this session.
It was almost a spiritual inaugural ceremony with hymns and the governor dedicating nearly his whole inaugural address to the crisis of the family.
We need to have a talk about our culture.
Cameras flashed as Brownback told the crowd that strengthening the family structure would renew the people both economically and individually.
We've got issues to deal with, and we're going to deal with them.
But today, the governor didn't say how he planned to help fill that budget hole.
Just monumental. It's not going to be an easy hole to fill.
The minority Democratic Party in both chambers blamed the problem on the governor and his massive income tax cuts for small business owners. Their solution?
A solid foundation and funding for public education, respect for the Kansas worker, paying livable wages, ensuring that we have an opportunity to address the crisis of Kansas families.
But the governor says he and lawmakers funneled $250 million into K-12 education last year, and that his income tax cuts should stay put because the state is starting to see new employers and families move into the state.
People haven't covered it, but we've had a record number of new filings. We are at record employment levels in the state of Kansas.
On Friday, the governor will tell lawmakers how he plans to get the state revenue positive in just 2 years. In Topeka, Amy Hawley, 41 Action News.